Everyone is terrified that AI is coming for their job. But the CEO of the company that literally powers ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and every major AI system on earth just went on stage in front of thousands of people and said this.
The number of engineers, software engineers, is actually increasing. People talk about AI reducing jobs. Complete nonsense. It's causing more software engineers to be hired, and the reason for that is very simple. If you can hire a software engineer and you could generate $9 trillion worth of...
People talk about AI reducing jobs. Complete nonsense. His name is Jensen Huang. He runs Nvidia, a $3.3 trillion company. And today, we break down exactly why he said it and what it means for you. So who is this guy and why does his opinion matter? Jensen Huang co-founded Nvidia in 1993 at just 30 years old. Under his leadership, Nvidia became the backbone of the entire AI revolution. Their chips power nearly every major AI model in the world. His personal net worth is over $100 billion. This is not someone guessing about AI from the outside. This is the man inside the machine. Now let's talk about the data, because Jensen did not just make a claim, he showed the proof. At Nvidia's GTC Type E keynote on June 1st, 2026, he pointed to GitHub, the world's biggest coding platform. In 2023, there were 300 million GitHub commits. In 2024, that jumped to 400 million. In 2025, it hit 500 million. And in just the first few months of 2026, it exploded to nearly 1.4 billion. That is almost 3 times more output without a massive increase in the number of developers. Here is the logic Jensen laid out. There are around 30 million software developers in the world. They earn about $3 trillion in salaries every year. But now, with AI multiplying their output, they are generating the equivalent of $9 trillion in productive work. And Jensen asked the obvious question, if you can hire one software engineer and get $9 trillion worth of work done, why would you want to hire fewer engineers? You would want to hire more. AI is not killing jobs. It is making skilled workers 3 times more valuable. But here is where it gets personal and a little uncomfortable. Jensen is not saying AI is harmless. He is saying the danger is coming from a direction most people are not looking at. At the Milken Institute conference in 2025, he said, "You are not going to lose your job to an AI. You are going to lose your job to someone who uses AI. That person sitting next to you, quietly using AI to finish in 1 hour what takes you 8 hours, that is the real competition." And he saved his sharpest words for CEOs who blame AI for layoffs. He called them lazy. His exact words were, "AI has just arrived. How is it possible they are already losing jobs because of AI? It does not make sense. They are saying it to sound smart. The data backs him up." According to a recent survey, workers using AI are 3 times more likely to have gotten a raise or a promotion. And 60% of executives are already considering cutting employees who refuse to adopt AI tools. So here is the final message. At Carnegie Mellon University's 2026 commencement ceremony, Jensen told a hall full of anxious graduates, "You are entering the job market at an extraordinary moment." He reminded them that every major technology revolution in history created fear. Steam power, electricity, the internet, all of them terrified people. But every single time, those who engaged openly with the technology expanded human potential far more than they diminished it. The CEO of the AI revolution is not scared, and you should not be either, as long as you are on the right side of this shift. The threat is not the robot. The threat is the version of you that refuses to adapt. So the only question that matters right now is simple. Are you going to be the one using AI or the one being replaced by someone who does? The choice is still yours. For now,